Hi, I'm Natasha Kalsadi from Sammy's Photo School. Welcome to another 2-minute tutorial. This time it's all about the Painter tool. The Painter tool allows you to set all kinds of settings to multiple images all at once. Let me show you how.
Let's say I want to apply keywords to a whole grouping of images. Notice this image does not have any keywords, neither does this one. Here's how we can use the Painter tool to help us out. Painter tool is located at the bottom of your grid. I'll click on it. One of the options is that I can select keywords. I can type in the keywords that I want. I already typed them in, but you can go ahead and type in your keywords, separate them by commas. And now that I have that selected, I could click just on one image and apply the keywords. Notice there's the keywords. Or I can hold my mouse and just paint through or spray the images in a grouping. Notice how they're all highlighted. I'll place my can right back down and let's check. Sure enough, this image has a keyword. So is this one, the same exact keywords. Another way of using the Painter can is if you have a particular style that you like to use, or rather a preset. So I can pick up the Paint tool again, or I can hold the Option, Command key, and the letter K on a Mac, or Alt key, Control key, and the letter K on PC. I'll switch from keywords. Notice also here we can flag, we can rate, we can do a bunch of other things, so please explore. I'm going to use the settings option, and in the settings option I have a preset that I created, which is part of my color pack. It's right here, and it's called Washed Warm. So I could click on one, or I can hold on a whole batch. This one's probably going to be a little too light, but I can always readjust the contrast or exposure on it. But that is much quicker and easier to apply the same effect to a bunch of images. If you like this tip, let us know in the comments below, or let us know how you use the Painter tool in your workflow.
That's all for this quick tip. I hope you enjoyed it. Tap the subscribe button below. That will really help us out. We're fairly new on YouTube, and this is a new series we're starting out. And check out my online editing classes at sammysphotoschool.com. Bye for now.